How to change country in Google Play Store. That's what we are going to do in this video, but first make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna open Google Play Store and press on the profile icon up there and then click on settings, then click on general. After that, we're gonna click on account and device preferences, and as you can see, the country here is the country that I'm in right now. So we're gonna go back and go to the VPN, turn it on. You can use any VPN. I'm using for today Siphon VPN. So I'm gonna change my IP address country. After that, we open Google Play Store and change the account to the new account. After that, click accept. Click again on the profile picture up there on the right, and then click on settings, click on general, click on account and device preferences again. And now, as you can see, the country is changed into Canada. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any suggestion or question on the video. Have a nice day.